Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach gym management system step by step tutorial part 2 video tutorial. Part 1 tutorial we show how to design the members form. In this tutorial I am going to discuss about the plan. The plan we have various plans are there. 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 1 year plans. So we'll do how to do the system by the plan. Okay, so we already designed the members form. Let me design the plan. Okay, so what is my project? This is our project member, right? Okay. Now here I'm going to create another form which is a plan. Plan, right? Plan, right? So plan consists of we have a fields: plan name, validity, amount, right? So we have a first we have drag one label. We have a label, drag and drop plan. Select this one, properties, bold 36, right? Now we need a panel, so we have to drag and drop the panel. Right click properties, we name this one as border, soft bevel border, click OK. Drag the labels, select and drag it over here. This one should be plan name, select this one, properties, font property with bold 14, click OK. After that we need one text field, properties, bold with 14, click OK. Right, now I select this one, edit text backspace to remove the extension, select again, change variable txt plan. Right, after that select this one, hold on the control key down and select both, control C to copy, control V to paste below. This one I have to select as validity, after that amount, control C to copy, control V to paste below. This one should be amount. Validity txt amount. Right. Now we have a button save. Oh, right. When the member join on the gym, we have several plans are there. Okay, we have to add the plan. Okay, plan name 3 months, 2 months, 4 months. So here the plan name, validity. So here amount, right? So we will be able to add it here. Right, now here I am going to put it at here as 14th. Perfect. That's it. That's the thing we have to do. Right. Now I am going to go to the Go database and create the database which is a gym. First plan table, plan. It consists of four columns: ID, so ID, we have a ID column. After the plan name, validity. I want to type this one so that it is coming. You have to type validity, int 11, amount. Amount is very important stuff. 11. That's it. Hit save button. Record the plan table saved successfully here. This is the field ID, plan name, validity, amount, right? It saved successfully. Now what I'm going to do is here plan has been saved successfully. Now let's add the data. So we have to establish the database connection. So how do they add the database connection is, so I just copy and paste it. I have to explain it. If I do this one, it takes too much of time to complete the project, so that I have to just paste it over here. Go to the source and paste it over here, but I will be explaining, right. Before that, what I am going to do is here, so project, we have to add the MySQL connection. Okay, so how to add the MySQL connection? Okay, so we have to add the MySQL connection into your system. So what I am going to do is here, you have to click the jar libraries, add jar folder. Here we have to, here you can add the jar file. So I have a MySQL connector. This one, the MySQL connector. This one I'm going to add it. This one, all the control key down. So if you want to add the MySQL connector, you just go to the Google and type MySQL connector for Java. You can get this jar files. Okay, you will be able to add it into the libraries, look like this way. Okay, then only you will be able to establish the database connection between NetBeans and MySQL. Okay, right. After that, what I am going to do is here I have to register the import the class, import java dot SQL all, right. So we have to establish the database connection. You have connection con repair statement PSP, right. Now what I am going to do is here, first we have to give the database path here. First we have to create the method connect started and close bracket over here. Here what I am going to do here is first we have to register MySQL driver over here. This is the old way to register MySQL driver. You have a new way. You have to put it as CJ dot. So you have MySQL CJ JDBC driver. This is the path your database reside on. Localhost MySQL. So we have database which is a gym. You have to write gym. That's it. This is user credential when you are logging into the system. Root is username, password is blank. Right? Okay. This is the things you have to do it. Right. If there is any error, you can write it here dot print trace. The same thing, Control C to copy, Control here as well. Right. This method we have to call when the project is loaded. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Double click on the save button. I'm going to paste this code. I'm going to modify this one. Don't worry about that. So here what I'm going to do is here first we have this one should be there. We txt plan name, txt validation, txt amount. So txt we have a text field. Three text fields are there. Plan name, validity, txt plan, this one txt value, the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V. Txt, this is the amount, txt amount. Okay, now here we have a write the insert code. So we have a what is the fields are there, plan name, validity, amount. So we have right here insert into which table I am going to add the record, plan table, plan. So right here val plan. So we have right here the first one should be the plan name, comma validity t comma amount. We have a 3 question marks are there. You have to get rid of it. So here we have to this one plan, this is the validity, this is the amount. you have to paste it over here, right? We have to rest of the things we have to remove it, right? Now here we have a this one should be plan header. Plan header, that's the thing we have to do, right? That's a simple stuff we have to do the program. So right here we have to ex dot print trace. Now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to do it here as simply we have to run the application and check whether it's working fine or not. This member form is executed when the form is loaded. Now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to execute this form. Right click and run it. Okay, so what is the problem? So MySQL CJ.jdb server, why, what's the problem? Not found the exception. Okay, the problem is I think that this is the old one, old driver, that's why. Okay, I'll just remove it, this one. Now when you execute the program and check, now it's working. The problem why what I get it here is the CJ driver is the old newest one. This is the because I have imported into the this connector is oldest version. If you go to the internet and download the newest one, you have to put it here. It's this one CJ. Okay, that's the error. Okay, that's no problem. Now it's working. Now I'm going to add the new record. So here this plan, run it. Okay, down here I'm going to add the new record. Before that, what I'm going to select this one, source, Control F, UI, a matter. You have to change as a matter, and only it's actual look and feel of Java application. Center right. Now you have to what the things you have to do here is right click and run the file. Now here it's perfect. Plan 3 months, validity 3, amount 2000, click save button. Why, what's the problem? ID does not have a default value. What's the problem? The ID I haven't put it here, the auto increment part, that's the why. Here auto increment, if you check it and save it, now it's okay. That's the problem. Now again I'm going to do the things as set this one as plan, run application, plan name 3 months, 3 validity, amount 2000, hit save button, plan added, working perfectly well. After the plan I have to clear the fields. So how to clear this one as the same field, I just copy txt plan dot set text. You have to clear like this. The same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here over here. The set text, this one should set text value, text amount, we have to put it here. All the things are we have to clear. Cursor should be focused on the txt plan text field. Dot request focus, you have to call this method request focus. The cursor should be focused on the txt plan text field. Okay, here once you I'm going to do another 1 year plan. So 1 year validity, 1 year amount, sorry, validity 12 months, 1 year means 12 months, 12,000 payment, subscription plan. Click hit save button, plan added. Here it's working perfectly well. Okay, I hope you guys you understood the things. Once you done the plan, what is the plan you added, all the plan should be we have to load it into the plan combo box. You will be able to select the plan, which plan you have to you prefer. Once you register, once you fill the form, okay, you have to prefer which form you need, and you have to select that, and you have to fill the form and click save button. Your member registration should be done. Okay, this is all the stuff you have done by our next video tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.